IOTA-USDT Overview. This analysis is for informational purposes only. To support the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Trading style, spot. Target time frame, around 1 month between take profits, TPs. Entry levels, 0.1763 to 0.2758. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.4410. Target 2, 0.5385. Target 3, 0.6361. Target 4, 0.7738. Target 5, 0.9402. Stop loss, 0.1065. Trading success tips. Look carefully for opportunities. Don't rush your trades. Utilize simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance levels. Trade management. Consider trailing your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit after reaching a target. Entry strategy. Look for entry points after a pullback. Disclaimer. This information is for education only and should not be considered financial advice. We wish you successful trading.